It's almost moving day, right? Are you all packed and ready to go?
My mom is a little too ready. Last night, she packed all the toothpaste and toilet paper, so we were all late to work today.
How many boxes did you have to open?
Only 3. Fortunately, she had all the boxes labeled, so we only searched the ones that said bathroom.
If everything is labeled, then unpacking should be easy.
I hope so, but there's a good chance my dad won't be able to find his socks. He doesn't know it yet, but Mom used them to wrap the teacups.
It sounds like she is very efficient. I wonder what other surprises you'll find in those boxes.
You definitely need a sense of humor when you're moving. Otherwise, you'll go crazy.
Toothpaste, toothpaste. Efficient, efficient.
Label, label.